Did you ever wonder why everyone in AI stopped talking about simple prompt engineering and started talking about autonomous agents? Chatbots answer questions, agents finish jobs. That's the whole difference, and it comes down to a single concept: autonomous loop. Chatbot waits for you to prompt it again and again. Agent runs the loop itself, thinks, executes an action or a tool call or a web search, observes the result, and loops back until the task is completely finished. Agent is three things: an LLM, that's the brain loop to think, act, observe, and repeat, and the tools, the hands of the agent. Think about how we use ChatGPT today. You ask, how do I analyze this data set and send a report to my upper management? The model writes 3 pages of instructions. Do you know who has to run the script? Who has to query the database? All you. The agent closes that execution gap. The LLM decides the plan. The agent system executes the tools, handles errors, finishes the job without human hand holding. We are already using agents every day. Search engines that plan multi-step queries, that is an agent. A coding assistant that edits multiple files, runs tests, reads tracebacks, and fixes bugs, that is an agent running in a React. When people say an agent reasons, there's no magic under the hood. Reasoning step is a structured system that forces the LLM to inspect the current state, evaluate the available tools, and choose the next logical action. A model with no tools is just a brain in a jar. It cannot generate words, but it cannot touch the real world. Tools are hands, databases, search APIs, file systems. Today, the industry is standardizing tool access using the Model Context Protocol, or MCP in short. Instead of hard coding custom API wrappers for every model, MCP creates a standardized client-server protocol where your agent can connect to any database, file server, or tool through a unified interface. The fundamental pattern that powers this is React. Reason and act. Model thinks, I need user data. Acts, calls the database tool or the MCP server. Observes, it reads the row or the data. It repeats until the answer is complete or the goal is achieved. Should you use one agent or multiple agents? Production rule is simple. Start with one agent for one clear job. Only scale to a multi-agent team when the job requires distinct domain permissions or separate context windows. That is module 1. Agent is an LLM plus a loop plus tools and MCP servers. Module 2, we will code along and build this entire agent from scratch in pure Python and OpenAI. For the full course, AI agents 0 to hero.